Hello guys, today we are going to discuss a substitution theorem. So what the substitution theorem tell us, if the voltage across and the current through any branch, if the voltage across and the current through any branch of a DC bilateral network are known so this branch can be replaced. So this branch can be replaced by any combination by any combination of elements that will maintain the same voltage across and current through the chosen branch. So what does it mean? It means that we can replace this branch by any combination of elements. So we can replace this by just a voltage which maintain this characteristic of 3 ampere and 12 volt. So we can replace this by this branch like if we replace this by 12 volt. So let's see if this maintain this specific characteristic of the original circuit. For example, so what will happen, we have two voltage sources. If we combine these voltage sources, so for example, if we are going to find R is here 6 ohm, if we are going to find the current, what will happen? Current is equal to V divided by R. Here V is actually equal to 12 volt divided by R, which is 6. Sorry, V here is 18. V here is 18 because when we combine these two voltages, it gives us 18 volt. So I is here is actually equal to 3 ampere. So if we replace this branch by this branch, so the defined characteristic of this circuit remain altered. So we can replace this branch by this branch. So substitution theorem actually tells us that we can replace this branch by any combination of elements. So for example, we can replace this branch by some other branch, like now we can replace this branch by this. If we replace this branch by this, what will happen? What will happen? For example, let's suppose now R1 E 30 volt, R2, and here is a 6 volt. So here is R2 equal to 2 ohm. Now this is 6 ohm. Now what will happen? So for example, if we are going to find V equal 1 and R, so for I, V divided by R. Here we have in a series, so R is actually equal to 6 plus 2 and V is 24. Now I is actually equal to 24 divided by 8, which is equal to 3 ampere. So if we remove or if we replace this branch by this combination of resistor and voltage, so the specified or the determined characteristic of the original circuit remain altered. So substitution theorem actually tells us we can replace this branch by any combination. We can replace this branch of a known voltage and current with any combination which does not alter the original characteristic. So we can replace this branch by some other combination, like this, like just we replace this branch by this one, so which will maintain that specific characteristic. And we can replace this branch by some other combination, like now if this branch is replaced by this one, so the characteristic of the original circuit remain the same. So substitution theorem actually tell us that this branch can be replaced by any combination. So that's the end of the lecture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.